How to fix MetaTrader 5 account logged out of your MT5 account? Don't worry, here's how to unlock it fast and get back to trading. First, open MT5 and enter your login credentials carefully. Too many failed attempts will lock your account. If it's already locked, you'll need to contact your broker, not MetaTrader directly. Every MetaTrader 5 account is tied to a specific broker, so only they can reset your login and unlock your profile. Go to your broker's official site and head to support, request a password reset or account unlock. You'll likely need to verify your identity via email or upload documents. Once approved, they'll issue a new login or reactivate your current one. Always save your MT5 login and investor passwords in a password manager. They can't be retrieved without your broker. Is your MT5 account running smoothly again? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.